Welcome back. If you are up early to start a long commute this morning, give yourself some more time, because even just driving in from Portland, like, it's not that far, but it was thick fog, at least where I was.
Very patchy. Southern coast wasn't bad, but then you got to Casco Bay, and it was just, I mean, I was going off of memory driving.
Yeah,
like I knew where the road was winding.
The highway, and it kind of felt eerie, because I was like, is the power out or something? You just honestly can't see the city from the 295.
Yeah, it's quarter mile or less, which is basically you wouldn't even be able to see your hand in front of you.
It's insane.
I mean, I'm exaggerating just a little bit there, but it is that dense. We'll take a look at the visibility chart here, which the computer's doing a good job of showing what's going on. A quarter mile. Wiscasset, Portland, there it is, Casco Bay. Then you head up mid-coast, head up Penobscot Bay. It's half a mile. I mean, that's not much of an improvement. You have to go all the way up to Caribou and Holton to see the 10-mile max visibility. How about temperatures? All good news here, except in Calais, below freezing. Now, this is pretty balmy for our standards December, but, I mean, 40 in Portsmouth. The good news is, though, we don't have an ice storm, okay? We have just plain rain here. Yellow's popping up south of Bangor. That is not heavy rain. Okay, that's right now looks worse than it is. Snow up towards the crown of Maine, pretty light around Presque Isle, heading down south to down east. Calais, once again, below freezing, got to watch out there. That's one spot. It's below freezing, watch out for freezing rain, but everywhere else right now is above freezing. So precip-wise, over towards Wiscasset, Rockland, Bath, all good. A little heavier down towards Route 1, Kittery, Portsmouth, Seacoast, back towards Manchester. But in the hour-by-hour forecast, you're going to notice that this is a mostly rain event, not an ice storm. And here comes the cold air, but not in time for this kind of batch of precip that pushes through. Into this afternoon, once again, it's the showery type of rain. The fog will lift, and then this evening, fog rolls back in. You're seeing just greens on the map here. Snow up in Caribou, very light. And as we get into your Wednesday night and Thursday, watch what happens again. The wind's going to swish out of the north, okay? Because of that, still rain, but Thursday afternoon, we're up to 40. I mean, that's 100% going to be rain. Thursday night, things start to change, get a little bit more dynamic here Friday morning. Watch here, a little bit of light icing popping up here. Now, this is Bangor, Waterville, Greenville, Millinocket, Calais, okay? So, got to watch out for that, but that's not for another, obviously, day or so. So keep an eye on it. Precip-wise, I can tell you that, once again, the radar looks worse than it is, because you're only going to get, 1/10 of an inch, 2/10. That's not a lot. This would be very bad if it was ice. Even that amount would be very bad. It's not. So we are just kind of teetering right now on, I would say, almost disaster, but I really am very confident it's not going to be an ice storm. Wind southwest 5 to 10 knots. Water temp is 44, which is quite balmy. Now, Thursday, today, fog and rain 40 to 45. For Friday, I'm going to go rain mix. I do see enough cold air coming in that have to keep a close eye on it, even for a light icing and some snow mixing in into Saturday, 35 to 37. But those temperatures there are generally above freezing. Have to watch out what happens with that wind coming in from the north. We go to the wintry mix once again Saturday. Now, Sunday, just in time for New Year's Eve. I mean, the sky clears and it's perfect, really, by Maine standards. Mid-30s, lows in the 20s. No one's bundled up, head to toe there. I think that's doable. At the coast, a bit warmer. Dare I say, balmy, mid-40s today, and kind of on Thursday at 43. Do cool down slightly. Wintry mix looks, borderline scary, Hannah, anytime you see that on the map. But right now, it looks light. And at the coast, I'm less concerned than I am with the Highlands. I am with, Augusta, Bangor. But I have to keep, an eye on it. Bottom line is you get to Sunday and Monday. I mean, look at the improvement there. Still close to 40, lows in the 20s. I can tell you that probably in the next 2 days on social media, I'm going to be talking about things like, well, I see the pattern flipping into second week of January.
Okay.
You know what that means around here. Mm-hmm. Normally it means like more winter storm type stuff.
Yeah,
so.
Well, I think people are ready for that anyways. But it's nice that fireworks on New Year's Eve and stuff should be clear skies for that.
Yeah, 100% looks good.
Cool. Thanks, Jason.